Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, Assalam Alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make classic double cheeseburger. It's very famous around the world. So I'm going to try to make it home today. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for double cheeseburger, I have a meat ball here. I make a small ball. So you can use any kind of meat. Best meat for the burger is Angus beef, but I'm using a 75% lean and 25% fat. So let's see. So first, I'm gonna put on the cutting board, press it down. Some people use that special burger presser. So I don't have it, so I'm going to use my hand. So palm of your hand, you're going to press it down a little bit. Put the parchment paper on the top. So try to make as thin as possible, not so thin, but it helps burger to cook faster. See, it look nice. Just close the edges, make it a small round. That's it. So I'm going to do both of them. So now I'm making a burger sauce for the burger. Everybody have their own special version of sauce. I'm making mine. So I have some mayonnaise, regular mayonnaise. I have some caramelized onion. I'm going to add it to the mayonnaise. And I have some pickled cucumber and some jalapeno. I'm going to chop it up, everything. And I'm using a pickle juice also. I'm going to add it to the mayonnaise. Now I'm going to chop all of that. So I'm going to chop all the jalapeno, roughly chopped. Some seasoning. First I'm going to put a little bit of chipotle sauce to add a little color to it, plus little heat. You guys hearing a little noise on the background? It is fireworks happening in our park. So some pepper, crush some pepper in there, good amount of pepper. Some Himalayan salt. Let's mix everything together. So the nice burger sauce is ready. Now I'm going to start grilling my burger. So before I start my burger, I'm gonna grill off the bun. I'm using an onion bun. You can use any bun you prefer. So first, because pan is clean, so I'm gonna grill off our bun first. Bun is toasted already. Look amazing. You can see this guy. So I'm going to leave it on the side, this one for now, and then I'm going to start grilling our For the burger seasoning, I'm using just simple seasoning, just some pepper, some salt, and hot pan. I'm gonna put the seasoning side down, just like this. We're gonna do some same thing, pepper, good amount of pepper, take good, salt, and we're gonna let it cook. It will take few 5 to 6 seconds each side. So our burger is almost cooked. We have already flipped the side. Now we'll flip the side. I'm gonna put my cheese on. I'm gonna move it from my pan into plate. Don't worry guys about these noises. This is a firework happening in the back. Nice and grilly burger ready. So now I'm gonna assemble my burger. So you guys can see there's a firework happening on the background. While I'm cooking, they look amazing. I can see from my window. So first we're gonna put some our special sauce on the burger bun bottom and also on the top. I have some lettuce, onion, there are 2 slices of nice crisp lettuce, tomatoes. Some people like tomatoes, some people don't. I like it. Some ring onion, and then our burger, one, and the second one. I'm gonna put some sauce on the top also, it's dripping. And cover the lid. And I have some coleslaw sauce with that I already prepared, so I'm gonna use. You can add some fries also with that. So our nice burger is ready. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice. It's pretty easy to make at home. Look amazing, taste amazing also. So please do try this recipe at home. Subscribe our channel if you like our videos, and also follow us Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And please comment down below. I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.